You will see. In the structure of the soul of the man and the physicality of the man, we always use the plates on the side. Because then it's always unbalanced. It can move, it can change. The plants, they gave a compromise. In a way, as I say, the compromise was, we stay with you, Earth, but you feed us. Earth condition was easy. You decide what I have in one place, you can have, and that's it, and no more. For that reason, man and the animal and the plants made a compromise. So, in the plant kingdom, you stay your plate in the middle. And you allow the other conditions for what you want to create to be dictated by that. And in that process, when you came to the soul of the physicality and the soul of the plant and the physicality of the plant, you had a choice of flat plate. Means I don't move, I stay, I fix myself in the center and let the fields build around me that I can collect. In the process of what is available in totality, a plant condition is primarily dictated by one element, the inertia. But what field at the point of inception is available is inertia of the position, matter state availability, which gives energy to the plant. This is why we are conditioned in what soul we have and what we can grow. The position of the physicality is strength, then in respect to inertia dictates what will grow above it. If the gravity is tight, you get herb. If gravity is loose, you get a tree. If you have a gravity which is a compromise between inertia and the gravitational magnetic field of the plant and the gravitational magnetic field of the planet, you get what we call seeds and onions and what you call growth in this condition under the soul. Where the soul splits, you have a growth to absorb energy and you have a growth to interact with the field. This is the difference between the physicality of the plant world and the physicality of the animal world. Now that is fixed, life becomes very easy for man. Now you have the soul of the plant and you have the soul of the man. How do you want to fix? And what do you want to fix in the strength to what? But in fact, you find a fixture between the two centers, which in fact, it gives you the bandwidth, which energy can be absorbed from this structure. When you get educated more in understanding it, you can use different combination of the structures to develop different strengths of materials. But in essence, the soul of the man, creation, is in a floating condition above the earth, but the soul of the plant is the soul of the entity within contact, within restriction of the given boundary, within the soul, within the solid part of it. But then you have plants who grow on the trees without the soil and everything else, which is a compromise between the two. But then the tree becomes 0 point where the plant grows up. Why do you, in some plants and trees, you take a piece from another one and you put in and you create fruits of different? Because you change the magnetic field of it. Singularity does not create, but when you put the skin of another one and you wrap it, you create a field which difference in the two creates condition for fruit or for whatever the growth. So if you understood this, you have the key not to kill. Not to destroy, not to exploit, but you just feel the strength of the plant and you tune into it. And depends what you need. If you don't need, sorry, your position is full. The rest of chewing and the thing is to feed the physicality.